good. Very good. Are you ready for something new? Excellent. Let's start then. Today I have animals for you to show. Let's see what do we have here. What is this? Yes, zebra. What's this? Yes, cheetah. Very good. What about this one? Peacock. Peacock. Very good. And this one? A cow. Cow. Very good. Okay. I have one more. Sheet of paper with animals. What is this? A bear. Yes, it's a bear. What kind of bear? Yes, polar bear. Polar bear. This one? Tiger. Of course. This one? Ladybug. And this one? Leopard. Very good. Okay, now we have in my box, I have patterns of animals. Let's match them with you together, okay? All right, so but before we match, let's quickly go, what is what? Zebra. What is this? Animal, insect, bird? Yes, it's an animal. Cheetah? Sure, animal. Peacock? Of course, it's a bird. Cow? It's animal. It's a farm animal. Very good. Polar bear? Animal. Tiger? Animal, sure. Ladybug? Animal? No. Bird? No. What's this? Of course, this is an insect. Very good. This one? Of course, animal. And now, let's see, we have a pattern here. So this pattern, where does it belong? Here? No. Here? No. Here? Yes, of course. Look, it matches. Yeah. Here we go. Beautiful peacock. Great. Okay. Next, I have this. Goes here? No. Of course not. Polar bear is white, right? Here we go. This is a ladybug pattern, right? Okay. Next one. I have this. Is it here? No, maybe here. No. It's also white and black, but stripes are different, right? Oh yeah, it's a zebra's pattern. Good. Okay. Next one. We have another. It looks like this. No, it's not that one. Maybe here? No. Here? Yes, of course. This is tiger's pattern. Very good. Next one. Have this. It goes here? No. Yes, it's polar bears. It's white pattern. Polar bears pattern. Okay. Okay. Now we have here white and black. What animal is white and black here? Zebra is white and black, but it has its pattern. What else? Of course, cow is white and black. So it goes in here, right? Very good. Next one is cheetah and leopard. This one is for cheetah? No, the patterns are different, right? So it goes to leopard. Very good. Okay. And the last one is for cheetah. Good job. Here, we are done now. Very good. So, hope you enjoyed this. And at home, you can have the look at the patterns on your TV or animals in your books and compare what you have seen today. Okay? Goodbye. Thank you.